Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following video, I will be guiding you on how to switch your Instagram to a creator account. I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So before getting started, make sure that you've updated your Instagram application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So first of all, open up your Instagram application. So then as you open up your Instagram application, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. As you tap on it, on the other page you have your profile page. So then tap on the try bar icon in the top right corner. So once you do that, tap on settings. On the other page you will be directed to settings page, and out here you'll have to tap on account, which is right in between. On the other page, scroll down right to the bottom and then tap on switch to professional account. So once you tap on it, on the other page, make sure to go through it. So then continue tapping on it. Now you'll have to select a category. So then tap on any one of these following options that you like. So once you're done selecting your category, and if you want this category to be displayed on your profile, then tap on the button which is in the top right. And in case if you don't want to display on your profile, then simply do the same process, that is tap on it. So once you're done selecting, tap on done in the bottom. So right in center there's a confirmation, so make sure to go through it and then tap on OK. On the other page there is a confirmation, and here it says that are you a creator. Since we are switching our account to a creator's account, so you can see that it is already selected. And in case if you are switching your account into business account, then simply tap on business, and once you're done, tap on next. Next page you'll have to confirm, so just tap on the tick icon in the top right. You can see right on top there is an update, and my account has been switched to creator's account. So that is how you can switch your Instagram to creator's account. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.